Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on see all 36 apps, of course 36 in my case, and now the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and as you can see here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications and default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps and any permission restrictions. And what's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.